Welcome to my channel Biology Beats. We are looking 12th Fishery Science, chapter number 1, aquatic weeds, fish diseases and predators, and topic number 4, that is the effect of aquatic weeds on the fish production. Okay, so as we have discussed, the weeds are disadvantageous in the fish production or fish culture. So how they affect on our production? So easiest topic is this. So overgrowth of filamentous can cause the obstruction. As we have discussed, there is a one part of the filamentous weeds, yes, filamentous thread like weeds. Okay, so it may cause obstruction. Which type of obstruction it may cause? So obstruction may affect the feeding and the growth. Obstructions means the disturbance. Yes. How it affects on the growth? If some filamentous algae are in a large amount in the water body, then the feed we are providing can be eaten by the predators also. So feeding, if doesn't reach to that particular species which we are culturing, जिन स्पेसीज का हम कल्चर कर रहे हैं उन स्पेसीज तक अगर अपना फीड नहीं पहुंच रहा है तो उसकी ग्रोथ पे डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट होगा. उसकी जो प्रॉपर ग्रोथ है, उसकी जो प्रॉपर फैटनिंग होती है, फैटनिंग करने के लिए, फ्लैश बढ़ाने के लिए, वेट बढ़ाने के लिए वी प्रोवाइड सम आर्टिफिशियल feeds, but if that feed doesn't reach to that particular species, it may be taken by the predators, so it will directly affect on the growth of that particular species. Yes, after that, the captured easily by the predators. Yes, the species we are culturing, they may be captured easily by the predators. Why? Because of the filaments or extra weeds, they cannot move properly, and predators have quality. Predators की एक quality होती है, they just hide themselves and attack on the fishes. Yes, they hide themselves and attack on the fishes. Okay, so because of the extra space for hiding, fishes which we are culturing may be captured easily by the predators. Next thing, in disadvantages we have discussed that choking causes death due to suffocation. In disadvantages we have discussed that because of the excessive weeds or because of the filamentous weeds, the gills through which fishes respire may choke. Gills choke अगर होते हैं तो respiration stop हो जाएगा, and if respiration stops, that particular species may die due to the suffocation के कारण उस species का death हो सकता है. After that, surface vegetation choke the sunlight and remains poor production. Yes, what we have discussed that there is a formation of algal beds or algal mats on the water body, then the sunlight, which is essential source for the fishes as well as the useful weeds. जो useful weeds है और जो fishes है उनके लिए sunlight is the important part to maintain the temperature level, and if the sunlight cannot be reached up to that fishes, then it will directly affect on the production. Why? Because they need to do struggle. उनको struggle करना पड़ेगा sunlight के लिए. They have to come on at the surface area. Yes. Next thing, natural food material is taken by the aquatic weeds. What happens if there is a less amount? We have already seen that there are different type of fish culture, and in some fish cultures we are totally dependent on the natural food. Yes, if it is proper, then we provide the artificial food, but if our pond is totally dependent on the natural food, so excessive weed may take, or the predators which are survive in that water body, they may also take the natural food, and if the predator level or weed level is high, then that particular natural food will not reach up to the particular species. जिन species का हम कल्चर कर रहे हैं उन तक अगर नेचुरल फूड नहीं पहुंचता है तो दे हैव टू डू स्ट्रगल टू टेक दैट नेचुरल फूड एंड इट विल डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट ऑन आवर प्रोडक्शन. Excessive, last point, excessive vegetation hampers the nating. We have already discussed, if there is a much more amount of वीड की अगर एक्सेसिव लिमिट से ज़्यादा अगर लेयर्स क्रिएट होती है, सो इट विल हैम्पर द नेटिंग. उसमें कैप्चरिंग करना, नेटिंग करना विल बी मच हार्ड. It will be like as impossible. Okay, so we can directly conclude, or we can take the conclusion that reverse effect on the production. Yes, aquatic weeds का reverse effect होता है production पे, if they are in control. Okay, we will look in the next lecture about the control of the weeds. So these are the effects of aquatic weeds on the fish production. Okay, like it and share it more and more. Thank you so much.